this is what it looks like when we come together and when we live and work united. So thank you on behalf of our community for stepping up. Metro United Way is so proud to stand alongside our Greater Louisville Central Labor Council, all of the unions, Kentucky Habitat for Humanity, the Housing Partnership, Kentucky Department of Veterans Affairs, and the 20-plus businesses that came together to make this possible. For the third year in a row, we've been able to provide a home to a veteran that they can call their own.
I'm just short for words, you all. You know, very overwhelmed, happy, and I thank everybody for helping me get this home. It'll give me my backbone and stability to start my business back up the way I need to.